I'm going to show you a new tool you have at your disposal called Jamboard that you can use with any kind of video casting, whether it's Screencastify, Camtasia, or anything else in the whole world. This works a little better if you have a touchscreen, but even if you don't, it still works. Inside of your Google Drive, you can go in here, click more, and you should have Google Jamboard as one of your options. Now, all it is a digital whiteboard where you can draw on top of it while you're talking. You can change the color here by just floating over and picking green, pick a bigger marker, and it writes like this. You can also certainly erase things, and you can skip ahead and create brand new pages like this, where I can then begin drawing again. I could say 9 plus 15, right? And talk through this math lesson. And again, if I've got a screen or a touch screen, way easier. I can even add in images. I'm just going to go to a new slide here quick. Brand new image. Put that in. I'll search something online. I could search math equations, or I could search something as simple as trees. I'll throw that in there, select, done. There are my trees, and I actually want to point out and draw on top of this thing, but I don't want the drawing to last, so I'm going to pick this little laser pointer here and say, notice the contour of all of these trees, because I'm teaching an art lesson, and I'm actually not disturbing or ruining this art piece by drawing over the top of it. It's just a laser pointer instead. I can also put in little sticky notes for my students and say, this is a note, and pop it in there. You notice that I can make some different colors of notes like this. And that's pretty much it. When you're all done, it's already saved. You can share it out with your students like this. You can share it out through Google Classroom. You can do whatever you want with it when you're done. You can even clear each frame or put a background in, zoom out, and the like. And that's it. That's Jamboard.